Namaste friends, let's talk about the Shatabishak or Sadayam Nakshatra as they call it in Tamil. Sadayam literally means the 100 healers, alright, or the 100 flowers. It's the 24th asterism that falls in the constellation of Aquarius. Personality wise, these people are excellent in problem solving, very analytical people. They're known to be discreet and a little bit paranoid about things around them. Okay, they are always they're living in a shroud of secrecy. These kind of people, they're curious to know what you have, but they would not be sharing what they have. Okay, they are protective and at times suspicious towards their close friends and their loved ones also. They have a strong interest in the occult or anything supernatural, anything whatever supernatural. They have a very strong inclination towards those. But from what I know, these Shatabishak or Sadayam Nakshatra people are known for helping and caring anybody. Okay, they're very protective and very possessive also. Okay, these people. The special ability for the Shatabishaks are the spiritual healing. Okay, they have a spiritual healing. They when I say spiritual healing means these people have a way to influence the people who are not in the path of spirituality, or people in people doing the wrong things in life, or people who simply needs a change in their life. If you go and talk to a person who's born under the Shatabishak Nakshatra, they can bring you to the right path, because that's their power to heal a person spiritually. All right. The presiding deity will be Lord Varuna or the Lord of Hydrosphere. Okay, so that's a little bit about the Shatabishak Nakshatra. Hope it has been beneficial. Till the next time, thank you. Namaste.